Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I finish off my infinity scarf. And to start off, I'm using 9mm knitting needles and Apilou Big teal yarn. Let's get started. So I start with making a loop by wrapping the yarn around my finger and using a needle to make the loop. So just watch how I do it. Yeah, so then I start casting on the stitches. So the aim is to have about 40 stitches, and then so I just continue until I have 40 stitches. Yeah, so now I have 40 stitches, and I am just going to go ahead and start knitting. So I'm using the garter stitch, which is just knitting on both sides. So just stay tuned and watch how I do it. Yeah, so I just continue knitting until I reach the desired length, and then I just close it up. So I actually use like 2 balls of the Apilou Big yarn, and now I'm just going to show you how I close it up. All right. Yeah, so I close off the scarf by joining the 2 ends together using the knitting needles. You could also use a knitting needle and a crochet needle, but I preferred to use the knitting needles because I don't have a crochet needle big enough for the size of the stitches that I was working with. So I just used the knitting needles. So what I do is I just knit through both sides and sliding 1 stitch each time, and thereby reducing the number of stitches. And I knit until I get to the end of the scarf. Rather, I end up with 1 stitch, and then when I have that 1 stitch, I just slide the knitting needles out, and then I make a knot, and then I actually make 2 knots just to make sure that the scarf is secure and it won't unravel. And then so I just slide the thread through the loop, then I just pull the thread through rather, and then just to make a knot, and then I do a second knot just to make sure that it's secure enough and it won't unravel. And that's it. Yeah, then I just cut the extra thread off, and it is done. I am done. My scarf is ready to be worn, and there you go. I just love infinity scarves, and I like this size because it's like really extra warm, and you can either wear it loosely like that when it's not really that cold. You can just wear it like that, and it looks really cool. Or if it's really cold and freezing, you can also fold it in 2 to just have that extra warmth. And it's really the best. I just love them. I even prefer them to long straight ones. So you could wear it like that, and your neck is nicely protected and you're nice and warm. So cool. Just love them. Love, 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 love them. And I made a shorter version of it for myself, and that one you wear it a bit differently. So you actually put it on inside out. You put it over your head and over your neck inside out, and then you just fold it down. Just fold it down like that. And that one you could also fold it twice, but then it feels a bit tight on your neck. But just folding it down like that is warm enough. For me it's warm enough, so yeah. Or you could also just wear it like the way it is, the right side out, and then you just pull it down like that. Again, your neck is nice and protected and you're nice and warm. And voila. Yeah, so that's how I close up my infinity scarf. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification button for more videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.